Hi there, this is Mabel Ann Zamora, your facilitator for recruitment in physical therapy. Let us start on how to create a work design. Work design is used to assess how tasks or the entire job is organized within the work environment and then ensure these are well matched to the attributes of the employee. A well-designed job would result in more engaged, healthy, and productive employees, and these outcomes would benefit both employees and the organization. Job design logically follows job analysis. Job analysis provides job-related data as well as the skill and knowledge expected of the incumbent to discharge the job. Job design involves organizing tasks, duties, and responsibilities into a unit of work to achieve certain objectives. Work design involves integration of tasks, duties, and responsibilities into a unit of work to achieve certain objectives. If a work fails to provide proper return of investment to the organization, the fault lies with the work designers. Job specialization has two components. The first one is the horizontal component, which tackles the scope of duties. The other one, the vertical specialization, tackles about the level of authority or degree of decision making of an employee. Behavior formalization is a process in which the manager specifies in writing procedure, roles and responsibilities of individual employees, organizational unit, groups, teams, and the organization as a whole, which leads to the development of process, relationship, and operating procedure. Professional training is the process by which job skills are taught. Hard and soft skills of an employee is trained so that the employee can work efficiently and effectively during his stay in the organization. Job description are tools for recruiting, determining salary ranges, career planning, and meeting legal requirements for compliance purposes. Because of this, it is very important to have a written job description that accurately reflects the employee's current job duties and responsibilities. Now that you have created your work design and job description, it is time to start with the employment process. Recruitment process refers to the process of identifying and attracting job seekers. Bear in mind the legal basis of your recruitment. The description must complement the definition of PT as stated in RA 5680, and employers must not discriminate applicants due to their religious beliefs, social status, or gender. During job interview, you are placing the applicant in close scrutiny. Make sure that the applicant feels comfortable and explain the ground rules for interview before proceeding. Identify the characteristics you expect the applicant to have ahead of time so that it will run smoothly. Once hired, an employee must undergo training to make him understand his responsibilities and duties in the company. This can be done through job rotation is considered as an effective tool for successful implementation of HR strategy. It is about settling employees at the right place where they can deliver the maximum results. Next one is coaching. There are key advantages to coaching in the workplace. Most people want to perform well at work but sometimes don't have the experience or knowledge on how to best succeed. When coaching is effectively used, it helps employees build new skills faster, facilitates pride and confidence at work, and fosters trust with the boss. Understudy refers to the method in which trainees are prepared to perform the work or fill the position of their superiors. In this technique, a trainee who is likely to assume the full duties and responsibilities currently held by his superior. Vertical loading is the practice of giving an employee extra tasks with more responsibilities in order to develop their skills. This gives employees responsibilities and control formerly reserved for higher level positions. After giving them a comprehensive job orientation, It's now time to learn how will you retain these employees. Loss of employees often results to decreased productivity, lost business opportunity, lost revenue, decreased customer satisfaction, and decreased employee satisfaction, and will make a huge impact in the organization. So, why employees leave? First, there is an unhealthy corporate culture, perceived lack of appreciation, insufficient resources in the workplace, lack of advancement and opportunities, and inadequate compensation or salary. To increase employee productivity, a manager must perform the following. I'm going to further elaborate it during our face to face discussion. Performance appraisal is a system useful to help gain feedback, review, and estimate whether the performance of an employee is effective and discuss what needs to be done for it to become so. Manager perform evaluation to benefit both employees and the employer. It is important to give feedback to your employees so that they can know what is the room for improvement. Employees are a company's biggest asset. Dedicated training and development fosters employee engagement, and this engagement is critical in the company's financial performance. Grievance handling is the management of employees' dissatisfaction or complaints. By establishing a formal grievance handling procedures, you provide a safe environment for your employees to raise their concerns. This will avoid large turnover of your employees. So that's it. Thank you for listening and see you on our face to face discussion this week. Goodbye.